Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Jayyduty here. If you watched it, you know what? You should be disappointed in yourself. You should feel like a loser. Because that website is making you a loser, dog. Every time you log on that website, you know you are losing, like you're losing, dog. Like, you feel some type of way, but you just don't know how to stop. It's like you do it so effortlessly, even when you tell yourself, this is not good, you know it's not good. You regret it before you do it. And then you will regret it after you do it. So it's like a lose-lose situation when you watch PRN. It's like you know you finna lose. Soon as you log on to the website, you know you finna lose. After you get rid of the website, you know you finna lose again. When you watch PRN, you are literally neglecting your value for some temporary pleasure. Do you know who you are and what you can be doing with that energy, bro? You can switch. You can literally switch that energy to something else. You can shift yourself into a different version by just thinking, just thinking positive. Now you're like, Jay, what do you mean thinking positive? How am I going to think positive? Bro, listen, the reason why you addicted to that website is because you have no purpose. Or you have a purpose, but you're not focusing on the right things. You're not lazy. You don't procrastinate. You just focused on the wrong things. Once you start to realize who you truly are, you will start to focus on that more than anything. Because, y'all, fellas, pleasure is temporarily. That doesn't necessarily bring you anything in life but dopamine, stimulation. Like, that's egotistical shit. Purpose, that would give you your dream life. You have to think rich. When I say think positive, think rich. Master the law of consumption. It will help you to stop being addicted to women. You addicted to, and it's okay to be addicted to women. Hit up women here and there, sex around here and there. But you're watching other people have fun. You can be that fun. But you are rather watching. You don't want to be the nigga who's watching it. You want to be the nigga who's actually getting it. Fellas, you have to focus on purpose. That's the only thing that's going to help you to overcome that addiction. Is purpose. Think rich. Close your eyes. Imagine the life that you want. Just imagine. Just sit still and just manifest everything. Just master the law of consumption. Pretend like whatever you want, you need. Listen, pretend like whatever you want, it already happened. This is how you overcome masturbation addiction. You have to think rich thoughts. You got to focus on money. Focus on wealth. Bro, focus on generational wealth, bro. That's the thing that's going to help you to stay focused. Even if you ain't got it, focus on becoming a millionaire even when you're not a millionaire. Focus on that. Set a goal for you to become a millionaire, and I promise you, you're going to stay focused. Bro, you're going to stay focused until you get $1 million. You ain't going to really drift. Like, you ain't going to really drift. Spiritual creators, they drift because I ain't going to say they ain't have no purpose, but what's the purpose of being spiritual? What are you doing it for? When you realize that you need to chase your dream and you need to retire your mama, you got even more reasons to go after it. And it puts you in a position to be uncomfortable. So you removing yourself from your comfort zone to go embrace your dreams. When you focus on becoming better every single day, effortlessly, you're going to become better. You're going to do something that's better. You're not going to be addicted to that website. Do you get what I'm saying? So imagine if you go to the gym every single day and you stay and you lift weights for hours, literally hours, doing legs, doing arms, doing pull downs. Imagine if you do that for hours and you shift your focus. You have to shift your focus because 9 times out of 10, the reason why you addicted is because you think about women 24/7. Once you get to a point where you stop thinking about women, stop fantasizing over them, unfollow those baddies on your social media page, you will literally get better and better and better at being the best version of yourself. You will literally get better and better. You won't be addicted to that website. But since you think about women all the time, since you fantasize about women, since you worry about their boobs and not how they move, you're going to move downhill. Like you're going to be out bad for them. You're going to go out bad, right? Fellas, go get a gym membership. This is what I want you to do. I want you to go get a gym membership. Stay in the gym for hours, literally. Go. It's only like like $60 to $70 just for a gym membership. I'm talking about the black card. You can also bring a friend. Go get a gym membership. Stay in there for 3 to 4 hours a day, literally. This is what I've done. And shift your focus while you lifting weights. Pretend like you already in a penthouse. Pretend like your mama is already rich and she's already wealthy because of you. Pretend like you already at the position you see yourself in 5 years. You already there. It's already yours. When you hit the gym, it gives you new ideas to take care of yourself. You start to get random ideas. You start to get business ideas. You start to look more attractive. You start to become overall better. Because you gotta understand, these motherfuckers in the gym, they not dealing with masturbation addictions, dog. Those the motherfuckers who be at home 24/7 that deal with that masturbation addiction. You at home 24/7 playing a game on mommy couch eating bullshit. Of course you're going to be addicted. Give me your addiction, bro. I'll be addicted too. If all I done was just sit around scrolling women all day and playing a game, bro, give me your addiction. I'll feel like a loser too. But I'm actively working out. You got to have some type of purpose on the side, bro. And you have a purpose. Everybody have a purpose, bro. You just neglecting your purpose for some pleasure. So if you too caught up in pleasure, if you drift off to pleasure for too long, you're going to forget that you have a purpose. That's where you forget who you truly are. You have a purpose, nigga. Everybody got a purpose. Everybody got something they good at. Everybody got it. It's just everybody's so distracted so they forget that they have a purpose. That's what I'm saying. You got to hit the gym. Hit the gym, dog. That's what's going to help you if you just hit the gym. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.